Imagine, if you will, a bustling city in the heart of Vietnam. It's the early dawn of a cool February morning. The air is filled with the scent of blooming peach blossoms, and the busy streets are adorned with vibrant red and gold decorations. The spirit of the Tet holiday, also known as Vietnamese Lunar New Year, is in the air. Tet is a time when the Vietnamese bid farewell to the old year and welcome in the new with open arms and hopeful hearts. It is a time for renewal, reflection, and most importantly, reconnection with family and loved ones. The first tradition that marks the coming of Tet is the making of bánh chưng, a delicious cake made of sticky rice, mung beans, and pork. This delicacy, wrapped in banana leaves and cooked for hours, is not just food but a symbol of the earth, a tribute to ancestors, and a testament to the patience and perseverance of the Vietnamese people. As the Tet holiday arrives, the tradition of giving lì xì envelopes begins. These red envelopes filled with lucky money are given to children and the elderly as a wish for their good health and prosperity in the coming year. This act of giving is not about the monetary value, but about conveying love, respect, and best wishes to one another. The emotional journey of vacay, or returning to one's hometown, is another significant tradition of Tet. No matter where life may take them, Vietnamese people make it a point to return home, to the place where their roots lie, to reunite with their families for the holiday. The journey home, often filled with anticipation and nostalgia, is a testament to the enduring bonds of family and the importance of one's roots. Finally, Tet is all about Sum Vầy, a term that beautifully encapsulates the spirit of family togetherness. As families gather around the dinner table, sharing stories, laughter, and the warmth of their shared history, the true meaning of Tet comes to life. In conclusion, Tet, with its unique traditions of bánh chưng, lì xì, vây quay, and Sum Vầy, is a celebration of family culture and the indomitable spirit of the Vietnamese people. It is a time of joy, love, and reflection that transcends generations and continues to hold a special place in the hearts of the Vietnamese, wherever they may be.